What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and this is my makeup tutorial. First up, I will be using my Makeup Forever concealer. This is the color Y23. To use this, I will just open it up and dab some on my finger and spread it all over my face. And then I will use my beauty blender to put it all over my face. Next up, I'm using the Tarte Full Coverage Foundation in the color Ivory, and this does have a SPF of 15 for the sunscreen. Once again, I will just use the same beauty blender to spread it all over my face, and as you can see, I was running low, and when I was shaking the foundation, it squirted all over the floor, but no worries, I got it all cleaned up. Next up, I'm using my Clinique powder in the 08 Transparency Neutral. And you guys, this is such a light powder. I've had powders that are so heavy and they just feel heavy and sticky on my face, but I love this powder. It is legit the best. And I'm applying the powder with this Cloud Cover Large Powder Puff. And I ordered it from Sephora for only $10. Up next, I use the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I just put it under my eyes and then blend it in with the Beauty Blender. And this is the color Light Neutral. Next up, I apply my blush, and I've got this blush for mascara, and the cool thing about this is you can pick out your own blush colors and they send you the marble container to put it in. And I'm just going to be using the middle color in the palette, and when I apply this, I do circles on my cheek and I smile as I apply it, so it's on my cheekbone. To apply the blush, I'm using the MAC 170 blush brush. Next up, I use the Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I use the Summer and Moonstone highlight, but this time I am using the Moonstone highlight. To apply the highlighter, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlight brush. Next up, I use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the original one, and I just put it over both my eyelids and then rub them in so I have a nice primer before I put my eyeshadow on. For my eyeshadow, I have recently been using the Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. The first color I'm going to be applying is Verve, and I'm not sure what brush this is, but this is what it looks like, and I just apply this color all over the lid. The next color I will be using is Busted, and I will just put this in the outer crease. color I will be using is Blackout, and I just put this over the same color Busted just to make it darker. The last color I use is Half Baked, and I put this all over my lid just to make it look very shimmery and sparkly, and yeah. Next up, I'm using the Essence eyeliner pen, and I am just applying this on my top lid right above my eyelashes. For my mascara, I use the Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara. And y'all, this mascara is like, it makes your eyelashes so thick and look like they have a lot of volume, and I love it. For my lipstick, I use Tarte, and the color I use is Undressed. And this is just a very dark, wintry looking lipstick, which I am loving. Thank you all so much for watching my makeup tutorial. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.